In this tutorial I will show you how to work with rules. So I assume that you have defined the house, floors and rooms and put devices in it, as shown in the device tutorial, and then we can create rules. Rules is something where a set of conditions, if they are true, it will result in the execution of a number of actions. So let's create a rule. Go test rule, and then select the rule, and as you can see there's a little checkbox which will deactivate, now it's deactivated, and activate a rule. The conditions will only be checked if the rule is active, and you can have an AND or a OR rule. AND means all the conditions must be true, OR means at least one must be true, and then the actions will be executed. Now let's add a condition to this rule. Cool. And this is all the conditions which you can put, which is either test whether the switch is on or off, check the security status of a security device, check for a value of a sensor, check which day of the week it is, and which time of day. And then you can combine those conditions. So let's do a little example with the sensor value, and let's take outside temperature. With no larger than 20 degrees, and let's say at the same time we should only check this from 10 until 6, and so now those two conditions must be true, and when they are true we can execute a number of actions, and you will have the same dialog box than in the schemes module. And so for example you could say at that point I will turn on one of the lights, and you can add other actions as well. And so when those two conditions are true, this action will be executed, and it won't be executed again as long as those two conditions are true, because otherwise it would keep on executing the action.